This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2014 R070T skid steer. It is similar to Caterpillar, Bobcat, Kubota, and more. It has an enclosed cab with heat. It has ISO joystick controls and a 33 horsepower diesel engine with 1,500 hours. It is a 2-speed with a 3,600 pound operating weight and a 665 pound operating capacity. It has auxiliary hydraulics, 13 GPM standard flow. The tracks are at 75%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There is no smoke or apparent leaks. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com